As farmers intensified their protest against the newly enacted farm laws, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on Monday asserted that agriculture was the mother sector and there was no question of taking any retrograde steps against it ever. In an address at an annual general meeting of Industry Chamber FICCI, Singh also said that the recent reforms in the sector have been undertaken with the best interest of farmers in mind and that the government is always open to discussion and dialogue. There is no question of taking retrograde steps against our agricultural sector ever. The recent reforms have been undertaken with the best interest of India's farmers in mind, he said, and he also added that we are, however, always willing to listen to our farmer brothers, allay their misgivings and provide them with assurances we can provide. The government is engaging with farmer leaders to decide on the next state of talks, Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar said, as unions intensified their agitation against the centre's 3 farm laws and observed a day-long fast on Monday. The meeting will definitely happen. We are engaging with farmers, Tomar said. The government is ready for discussion anytime. The farmer leaders have to decide and convey when they are ready for the next meeting. Tomar is leading the negotiations with 40 farmer unions along with Food Minister Piyush Goyal and Minister of State for Commerce and Industries Som Prakash. Google is facing an outage for some users in India and several other countries as most of its services and apps have gone down. Google Contacts, Docs, Drive, Gmail, YouTube and more are currently not working, prompting messages of error in India and more countries including in Europe and the US. It should be noted that YouTube and other services are working fine if you open them in incognito mode. YouTube recently faced a major outage for a couple of hours in early last month, and it appears that the video streaming platform is again the most hit in the outage. In a letter to the Defence Ministry, Shiva Sena MP Priyanka Chaturvedi has said that the Maharashtra government is happy to cooperate in restoring and preserving the historical ship INS Virat, which served as India's aircraft carrier. It was with great sadness and concern that I read that the scrapping of the historic INS Virat has been initiated at Alang in Gujarat, Chaturvedi said in her letter. The letter, which asks the Defence Ministry for a no-objection certificate to preserve Virat, comes at a time when the decommissioned warship is being pulled ashore by a shipbreaker in Alang before it is destroyed for scrap. In an open letter, a group of former Indian diplomats have accused Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau of indulging in vote bank politics with his support to the Indian farmers' protest. The open letter was issued by Indian Ambassadors Group, which included former diplomats Vishnu Prakash, Ajay Swarup, G.S. Iyer and S.K. Mathur. Expressing concerns over the activities of pro-Khalistan elements in Canada, the statement said that they are also radicalizing the Canadian youth and far-reaching consequences, which is being ignored at the altar of short-term political expediency.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.